Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your geodata card. Then, immediately guide you through the initial setup. First, unbox your geodata card and identify all its components, including the device and the SIM card. Next, carefully insert the GeoSIM card into the designated slot on the data card. Finally, plug the data card into an available USB port on your laptop or desktop computer. This ensures the device is powered and ready for the next steps. Once connected, your computer should automatically detect the geodata card and begin installing necessary drivers. If not, navigate to My Computer or This PC and open the virtual drive that appears, which contains the installation software. Double-click the setup file and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to install the geodata card application. This software is crucial for managing your connection and data usage. With the software installed, launch the geodata card application from your desktop or Start menu. Within the application, you will find options to select your preferred network mode. Choose the fastest available, typically 4G or 5G. Then, simply click the prominent Connect button. The application will display your connection status, confirming when you are successfully online and ready to browse. The geodata card application provides a comprehensive dashboard to monitor your data usage, helping you stay within your plan limits. When your data runs low, you can easily recharge directly through the application or the Geo website. If you encounter connection issues, first check the signal strength displayed in the app. For persistent problems, ensure your settings are correct or reach out to Geo customer support for expert assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.